That's the engine side.
Graffiti on a train.
64, 65.
Where was this train when we wanted to smash our penny, huh?
67, I know. 68, 69, 70.
Wow.
71.
Wow.
72.
Thanks for stopping for that turn.
73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Turkey's still there. 78.
That's funny.
79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 90. Wow. 91.
I think this is a long train. Oh, man! I thought I was going to at least hit 100.
I wanted 100. Oh, well.
I don't know why we're disappointed. It's a shorter train than we thought it was. I like being stuck on the other side personally over at Cornucopia, watching it from there with a burger and a beer. That's the way to be. All right, so one of these days we'll shoot it from that side at lunch.